How to record a voiceover on your Instagram Reels. Now, the very first step in order for you to record a voiceover is to make an Instagram Reel yourself. Now, to do that, you just have to tap on this plus button right here and go to Reels. Tap on camera right here and record a video. There. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on next right here and click on edit video right here. Now, once we're here, we are able to record an audio or edit the video that we have recorded. Now, in order for us to record a voiceover, we just have to scroll right here on the bottom part and tap on voiceover. All we have to do is to tap on the shutter button right here. Once that's done, you just have to hit on this button right here and tap on this button. Now, all you have to do is to share this to everyone. So that's how to record a voiceover on Instagram Reels. Hope we help.